A revenue stack reduces your reliance on a single income stream. Instead of depending on one source, build a stack of layers, like product, subscriptions, and services, that support your core value proposition. Focus on finding the right fit for each layer, rather than just adding as many streams as possible. Different pricing methods create different boundaries for your business. Cost plus sets your floor, value-based defines your ceiling, and competition-based establishes the feasible zone. Remember, the price tag isn't the only factor. Shipping, vouchers, and even wait times shape how customers perceive your total cost. Use a price ladder to guide your customers effectively. Start with a low-barrier trial to acquire the first order, move them toward your core offering for the best margins, and use a premium tier as an anchor. Bundling is another powerful tool to raise average order values and reduce direct price comparisons. Beware of the promotion trap. A simple 10% discount might seem small, but it can erode a massive portion of your margin. Always compute the required volume increase before launching any promotion to ensure it actually adds value, rather than just pulling future sales forward. Every product in your range needs a job. Categorize your products by function. Lead products to acquire customers, profit drivers to generate margins, and retention products to encourage repeat visits. If a product doesn't serve one of these roles, reconsider its place in your range. Your channel strategy should be a portfolio of specific roles, rather than chasing every trend. Design your channels based on the customer journey. Every platform you use needs a clear purpose, defined KPIs, and a managed level of dependency. Marketplaces, social commerce, and direct-to-consumer channels solve different jobs. Use marketplaces for scale, social commerce for discovery and demand, and D2C for ownership and retention. A resilient strategy balances platform growth with owned channels to protect your business. When choosing a channel, use a decision matrix to weigh your criteria. Whether it's speed to launch, brand control, or data ownership, assigning weights reveals the true logic behind your choice. This helps ensure your strategy is based on sound reasoning, rather than just intuition. Strong sales can often mask critical risks. Use a platform dependency score to evaluate your exposure across revenue, traffic, data, fulfillment, and policy. Remember, high revenue today does not necessarily guarantee resilience tomorrow. Growth doesn't always require buying more traffic. You can significantly increase your orders by improving your conversion rate. By focusing on the math of your sales funnel, you can grow your business without constantly increasing acquisition costs. Design your business with the second order in mind. Retention shouldn't be an afterthought. It should be integrated into your model. Create specific reasons for customers to return, like personalized routines or refill reminders, to build a sustainable relationship system. Your physical store is more than just a retail space. It's a digital asset. Use your store locations to enhance fulfillment, provide better customer service, build trust through in-person interaction, and create unique brand experiences that can't be replicated online. Match your recurring revenue model to the level of customer commitment, whether it's subscription, replenishment, or membership. Each model has unique requirements and risks. Align your retention strategy with what makes the most sense for your specific products and customer base. To stay focused, keep the activities that differentiate your brand in-house and outsource the rest. Ask yourself, does this specific activity create a difference the customer can feel? If the answer is no, it's likely a candidate for outsourcing. Finally, AI should be designed into your model, not just added on the side. Whether it's for pricing, operations, or decision support, always connect your AI implementation to a clear business problem and a measurable KPI. Ensure your use of technology drives real, actionable results. AI maturity shifts your business from being merely AI-assisted to fully agentic. As you progress, the role of AI evolves from simple proposal generation to autonomous action within set rules. Remember, while you gain autonomy, human responsibility for the objective and authority remains unchanged. To effectively serve purchasing agents, ensure your product data is structured and machine-readable. Focus on transparency in pricing, inventory reliability, and clear policies. Use the AI proposes, human verifies approach to manage output quality, rather than letting machines act without oversight. Even the most beautiful business model can go bankrupt if the unit economics don't hold up. Always connect your revenue, discounts, and channel decisions directly to your contribution margin. Revenue is vanity. Profit is sanity. Before committing to major spending, identify and test your most fatal assumptions. Conduct problem interviews, test messages via landing pages, and validate willingness to pay. Always define your success threshold beforehand to avoid confirmation bias. A complete, decision-ready blueprint goes beyond just filling in a canvas. Your plan must be anchored in evidence, including customer feedback, competitor analysis, and market data. A canvas without this evidence is simply incomplete. Look at how brands like Warby Parker redesigned their barriers to entry. They shortened their supply chain, created unique mechanisms like home try-ons to build trust, and used data loops to improve service. Which of these mechanisms could transfer to your own business? To close, remember that a good business model isn't just about filling in boxes. It's about writing down your assumptions, testing them against the market, and being ready to pivot. A salesperson asks how to sell more. A designer asks what must be true for the model to survive.